Did I tell you? I listen to my iPod this way. I like when I listen to stuff this close to my head.
Where are my headphones? I mean, they're just dangling down. But I mean,
we don't use headphones anymore.
I know. I mean, this is 2011.
2011, have you lost your mind or something?
Who listens to headphones anymore?
Nobody listens to headphones. I personally listen to my Coke glass.
Oh, I know. I listen to my hair clip.
Oh, yummy. I have one too.
Taylor, are you there?
Yeah, are you there?
I'm on mute. I'm on mute. Can I just end call? Okay. We're cool.
Ow!
Can't breathe.
It can be used as a multi-purpose thing. You can talk and then you can...
Taylor farted.
Sarah farts all the time.
I don't know what you're talking about, homie.
I do, bro.
Okay, gah.
Duh.
Let's go, brah.
Bra.
I have one. Me too. Right here. I just do that.
You're so gross.
This is my sexy face. You wanna see mine?
Ah. Well.
The way she. Oh, we're cool. Hey, can I tell you a secret? I just sit on the camera. Well, we're cool if you haven't noticed, cause we listen to things like iPods with our headphones hanging down. Yes, instead of like, why am I not looking at this thing? I forgot what I was saying. Hickey. Oh, what does it say? Bang, 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 bang. I like guys, I promise. I mean, whoa.
Whoa, bruh. Whoa, bish.
Up. Bish.
Up.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah.
Bishop.
Tanner's cool.
Oh, he's a lame.
Oh. Well, I know. This goes on Facebook.
Oh, I got a text message on my iPhone. I got an iPhone, you guys.
She stole it. I have to stop saying that.
I stole it from the store.
Just kidding, I'm not a bad kid. She's a thug. You're a gangster, yo.
This is my gang symbol.
Oh, yeah. We're cool. Like, wait, no, this is mine. Hit it. Hit myself up, yo.
Your little cell phone that ain't got a keyboard, little flip phone that nobody wants to text.
Cause, I mean, I think all my pictures look kind of fat and ugly. But I write it up there, and I put them up there anyways.
Just so people will comment on it and tell me that I'm skinny and beautiful.
Yeah.
Nope.
Darn. Ooh.
Excuse me.
I'm a little.
This is not going on Facebook.
Sarah's a lame. Yeah.
Shawty, you a dime while you looking lonely. Oh, baby, we can go.
Go.
Go to Walmart. Yeah, like when I go in Walmart and look at the Barbies.
And ride on the go-karts. What? I mean the
tricycles.
Tricycles, yeah.
Yeah, bro. You got a message. You got a message, bro. Not that, bro.
Oh, well,
Can we end this video, please?
Yeah, let's go. Bye. Peace.
Deuces, because everybody says it these days.
Deuces. We're cool.
Deuces.
Hit Marcel up.